Ratan Thiam said in an interview with The Wire that he has never in his entire life seen such violence. He said, "We have created widows and orphans," and wonders if Manipur is a part of India. Taran Thapar asked if he really felt that way, and Ratan Thiam replied saying that he feels very helpless in this situation. He feels India has turned its back on Manipur. National media has no coverage for the past so many weeks. Media has a responsibility in trying to bring back peace, but there is no national media coverage of the situation on Manipur. He mentioned that R.K. Ranjan had said it's a total failure of law and order in the state. Ratan Thiam also says his heart is broken and is saddened by the fact that the PM hasn't uttered a single word. Thapar mentioned that PM mentioned Gujarat in his Mann Ki Baat program but did not mention the tragedy of Manipur even once. When asked if Ratan Thiam feels let down by the PM, he answered saying that Modi has achieved a lot but has not uttered a single word on such an alarming situation. He also mentioned that he feels like a second-class citizen. Ratan Thiam says he will try to draw the attention of the PM as much as possible and not give up till he responds.
Whether appears on TV, they don't go east of Calcutta as if there is no part of India to the east.
No part of India, is if there is no weather in the northeast.
This is one reason why people of the northeast must feel
India
always is ignoring them.
Yeah, always like, treat it feeling like everybody talks. Whenever I talk to anybody in Manipur, I feel like a second-class citizen.
And this is why the Prime Minister's deliberate refusal, I won't say accidental failure, deliberate refusal to talk about Manipur is pouring salt on wounds. It is really hurting.
Much more, but not only salt, it is also,
Mirchi.
quite a lot of mirchi, quite a lot of pepper.
So we agree then on two things. Either he doesn't understand how grave it is, or he doesn't care. And either way, by not speaking, he's turned his back on Manipur. When Manipur needed him most, he's turned his back and is looking the other way. That's the feeling.
Still, Mr. Thapar, I would go on requesting him because I am an artist. I am an artist. I want to make him, convince that, you see, how things are going on over there. The situation over there. You should be able to notice it. And you ought to notice it, Mr. Prime Minister.
But he's blind to it.
Again and again, we'll do it.
Okay.
What's the problem? Again and again.
I wish you luck, sir. The Prime Minister should be by your side.
Please,
it's not just that he should speak out. He should be there in Manipur by your side holding your hand.
No, you see, it's a failure now that you have a food package, you have a building package over there, many houses will be built and so on. But who gives the guarantee of not burning down it again? It is only peace first.
And the sad part is that this is a Prime Minister who is incredibly popular in the country.
Yes.
He's incredibly powerful.
Yes.
And when he decides to do something, he can succeed.
He can succeed.
But he's not using those qualities to help Manipur. Instead, he's turned his back and forgotten about it.